this video, we will show you how to change the throttle body on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the throttle body on your vehicle, you need to remove the engine cover and the air intake system. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the connector. You can use a hook. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then remove the duct. Using a flathead screwdriver, unclip the wiring harness retaining clip. Using the flathead screwdriver, lift the tab that secures the connector. Disconnect the throttle body connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body in place. Then remove it. Remove the used gasket. You can order the throttle body used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new gasket. Put the gasket back in place. Take the new throttle body. Install the new throttle body. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in, then clip the harness back on. Replace the air duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Put the engine cover back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.